Вечерва на МТМ телевизија. Своеглавата и ексцентричната сестра Джеки.
I like that one.
Me too.
We'll take it.
Every interaction is stored in the Pillamatics memory. Your shitty pill dispenser is replacing me.
Does she have a boyfriend? Who? Is Jackie seeing anyone?
I was going through my divorce.
Oh. He's allergic to codeine.
But I didn't give him codeine, I gave him fentanyl. It's a different class of opiate. He had some earlier, and he was fine.
That's because he was given the correct dosage. Can you read?
You're off the floor. No more patients. You can answer phones, that's about it. This is not good.
He's a fucking criminal.
It's her father, stepfather.
My sister's going to be destroyed.
You heard from your sister?
She got as far as the hospital, and then was turned away from our mother's bedside by the wicked stepfather.
So if it resets itself, you can get anything you need.
Think about it as going away present number 2.
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.